front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this OPPO. Firstly, just go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. After that, tap on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also tap on this switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. After that, scroll down and click on this switcher next to reduce notification feedback on full screen to enable or disable this feature. Lastly, click on more sounds and haptics and tap on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to switch on or off touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!